Welcome back. So Monday is home hack day here on Good Day, and Amanda has the power this morning.
I got the power.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah. You know how sometimes you need a battery, you don't have the right size, you're like, oh man, I need a AA or whatever.
AAA,
yeah. So I saw this hack for turning a AAA battery into a AA battery.
What?
Yeah, just to hold you over till you get to the store. Yeah.
Okay.
Check this out. So for this hack, you're just going to need a small piece of tin foil. I had a leftover scrap, so you just kind of bunch it up here a little bit, and then you put it in on the spring side, and then you load in your AAA battery. Make sure you put it in the right way. Let's see. Tick. It's working! Okay. I give this hack a thumbs up. It worked.
I'm surprised you started that entire project.
Why?
You weren't afraid to...
No.
Not, okay, all right.
My house has not caught on fire yet.
Well, that's good.
No, I took the battery.
So that clock, did it take a AA or AAA battery?
It took a AA.
And you were able to put a AAA in. Wow.
With just some tinfoil.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Because you know it happens to everyone, especially the remote, and it's like, oh my
the remote,
goodness,
yes,
no.
and I need it to work now.
Yes.
Yeah, because TVs don't have buttons on them anymore.
Yeah, and you know, people used to say, hey, put the batteries in the freezer or something like that back in the day. Yeah, right? Yeah. No one has time for that.
No.
But you can grab some aluminum foil, boop.
Because you know you got that laying around.
Now, here's the question.
How do you make a AA a AAA?
No.
Oh, I gotta figure that out.
That wasn't my question.
Oh, okay, what's your question?
My question was, how long do you leave that battery in there? Do you make it a lifer? Because I mean, if it's working, why go get something? Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
So that clock still has that aluminum foil?
No, I had a working AA battery in it. So I figured I'll just
see
intention here and put the AA back in.
You should leave it in there to see how long it lasts.
I probably could.
Yeah. That would be nice to know.
Time.
Okay.